What's up guys, welcome to Ryan Tech, and today we are going to be making a car racing game in Scratch. So let's play what we are going to make. So it's a simple 2D car racing game in Scratch. So we have to reach the cars in the game. So let's go. Okay, so first we have to go to scratch.mit.edu. And now we need to go to my stuff and create a new project for the car racing game, and wait a second for the page to load. And now let's rename our game to car game. And now let's delete the scratch cat, and let's go to our backdrop and create the road for our backdrop. Okay, and now let's go to a backdrop and click on sounds. Now delete the pop sound and click on the choose sounds icon, and now go to loops. Okay, no, it doesn't work. Okay, let's see if we can find a good one. Go to the loops and find what you prefer. I will go with that video game tool, and search for the blues and pick that one also. And for the when we start the game, we need also to make a sound. So let's search for like beep or something like that. Okay, I'll go to effects. Let's see. Oh, let's choose that one, and we need to go to our code tab. We'll put a speed up on that one too. Enjoy. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you like it, and please don't forget to